Ladies and gentlemen, it's Shanana. No, wrong program. It's yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, and you'll listen to the end of day report live from PulseWaveTrading.com, bringing you the world's greatest trading methodology ever created, to the point where you may even think it fell out of the sky. We put it right in your hands each and every trading day, Sunday through Friday. All right, so as we see, it's been a sleepy couple of days, right? Monday was quiet, narrow range inside day. Tuesday was kind of acting like that. And then right at that 4 o'clock closing bell, something crazy happened. I looked at my terminal, man, and the Dow was down over 600. The futures was down 600. Now, I took time last night giving you people, the crash alerts for these markets. And I would like to say, on behalf of PulseWave Trading, that those crash alerts were very productive. Let's give a big round of a hand for the crash alerts. Hopefully you guys were able to cash in on that. It's time to get down and dirty. You know what it is at night. You know what we do. You know what you came here for. We got to get into these charts. What's up in the live stream? What up, Frank? What up, the gentleman? What up, Mahat? What up, Rob? What up, Aaron? What up, peoples? Go get them, peoples. All right, we are now going to do a request from the trading room. The ticker on this one is W. It's called Wayfair. All right, so the system is giving a crash alert for this one for tomorrow. Looks like the market needs to come back and fill this gap that it made back here. If it can hold the bull trend that it's in a very strong bullish uptrend, but the gap is hurting it, so it's going to need to come back down here, fill the gap, right? Prove the strength of this market, and then, take off again from here. If it does not, then the trend line support way down here around the 105-ish level is like waving, saying, hey, how you doing? Don't forget me. Just come by and see me sometime. All right. So just beware. If you are long in this initial thrust, please put a stop in, lock in some of this profit, because it looks like this thing is going to drop like a stone. All right. Can you say stone? All right. All right, we get another request in here. All right, I'm gonna squeeze you in. Now, keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, we got 30 charts that we got to get up. All right, so trust me, I'm gonna hit you. You're gonna have some stuff here. We got futures, forex, crypto, all of that's being covered every evening. That's just how we get down. All right, so you want to see Walmart, right? All right. All right, here's Walmart. Walmart is undecided. It's coming out of a bullish cycle, and it's trying to pop, but it's under a correction mode right now. So right now, the market is selling rallies. All right, got a gap up here that needs to be closed up. I think that's where the market's trying to head right now. But I see the rally getting sold. All right, this one has not chosen a trend yet. But the way things are moving, all rallies are going to be sold here. You sold this one, you sold this one, you sold this one. It's just going to keep happening. So this one is in a corrective course, has not resumed a downtrend, has not resumed an uptrend. It's just consolidating at these levels. And that's all I got for you on the Walmart. All right. Moving right along. We got TLT looking at these bonds. And here we go. Told you so. Got down here to this trend line. obeyed it as a support. Now we got a rally alert for tomorrow. Keep in mind you are in the Kumo cloud, so if you take this trade, just understand that you're limiting your profit potential because you're in the cloud. You're not out of the cloud, and you're probably going to get to about I don't know. I'll give you $3 maybe. What, 167 maybe? Just remember, when you're in this cloud, dude, it's a little, and the way this market's been moving too, it's not going to give you much. It's just going to consolidate until it breaks out and starts trending. So yeah, keep your powder dry on the TLT. All right, taking a look at Swan. Is it time to get along the Swan? Nope. Swan is not ready to do jack. It's just playing around the trend line support and decided what it's going to do. If this is a real market break for equities, this Swan should hold up pretty good overall. We'll see. All right, taking a look now at the SPY, which is the E-mini S&P 500, the ETF. We got a crash alert for this one tomorrow as well. It may find support at the trend line support area right here, but I think depending on what kind of thrust we get in the overnight futures, this thing could be well in the cloud by the end of tomorrow's trading. All right, you're welcome, Mahat. Let's see. Let's see here. We've got this one. Okay. All right. So the next one is SLV, looking at silver futures from the ETF perspective. You're still consolidating at the trend line support / resistance right now. And the market has still not chosen a directive. You came off the back of this rally alert back here. You got a secondary here, but no production. Now you're getting a crash alert. So these two cancel each other out. And it's saying that the range is narrowing now in silver. So this could be interesting. This could be very interesting. We do have this gap up here. It still hasn't been reconciled. So you're gonna have to deal with that at some point. Other than that, though, I think we could be good to go. Maybe, if you want to be petty, we do got a gap right here, and we do technically got a gap right here if you want to be petty. That'll take your silver back down to that $11 handle, though. I don't know. I don't know, player. Silver, I don't think silver's really ready to do nothing yet. Just watch out for that crash alert for tomorrow, though. All right, here's your QQQ NASDAQ 100 ETF, and you got a crash alert for tomorrow. Guard your grill. If you're long the triple Q, then you need to put in some stops. You might even have to put in some work in the overnight extended trading hours. Right now, the QQQ has already dropped down to 219 in extended hours trading. You're going to need to guard your grill. The market closed at 222.12. And we're at that 219 handle, between 220 and 219. So guard your grill, do what you got to do, protect your equity, protect your profits, protect your neck. All right, you got to do it. Okay. All right, let's move on. All right, let's see here. I see you, man. I see you. I see you. I see you. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this is one that haven't been getting too much of. So hold on. I'm gonna do you a solid. Just give me a second. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna take care of you. All right, so all right. I think that should do it. I think that should do it. All right, I just added your peso to the list, okay? Because I've been getting that a little bit more regular now. So I got you, man. Don't worry about it. We can incorporate that one into our forex segment. All right, so here's your Mexican peso right here, consolidating north of the Kumo cloud, north of the trend line support, coming out of a bullish phase and still in a bit of a corrective zone. Hasn't really made its mind up yet what it wants to do. So in this consolidation phase, every time it gets down here by support, it's being bid. It's getting a bid at support right here, this 1 and 2 zone, getting supported, but then the rallies get sold. That's what happens in consolidation. So it is moving sideways from now, player in your Mexican peso. All right, taking a look at the OIH. Well, crude oil has been, kind of doing its thing around that $25 handle, and it's enough to keep your OIH here moving sideways. So it's getting closer to the overhead trend line resistance, and it's now officially entered into the Kumo cloud as well. So I don't see much happening here. You're just not trending. And really, truth be told, you don't have any momentum here either. Look how flat that is. OIH is trying to work some of this out. We'll see what happens. Looking at Litecoin. Litecoin is in a bear market, but it's consolidating here in this Kumo cloud right now, testing the bottom support. All right, testing the bottom of the range. Got a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow for Litecoin. I do believe that every time we get down here at these support levels, the market gets bid, and then once you get up here, the market gets sold again. So it's just back and forth, wash, rinse, and repeat on your Litecoin. So rally alert for tonight into tomorrow for the Litecoin. We'll see if it can manifest and be productive. All right, here's your junk bond. It's also consolidating up here around this trend line. Not much going on. You're still in a bear market. It just has ceased trending lower at the moment, kinda. It's in a corrective state sideways. It's kind of in a weird space here. If I had to call it, I would say we're looking at resuming that bear downtrend. So yeah, junk J&K not looking too tight. Looking at the IYR real estate, testing the lower end of the Kumo cloud now. You see we got that production. We had that crash alert coming into today. Last night gave a crash alert. And look at it. We got productive and went to the bottom end of the range here. So crash alert did play out quite nicely in the IYR, in the real estate ETF. And I think it's going to drop outside of the Kumo cloud now as the selling pressure begins to accelerate. Okay. So that's what we got on IYR. Anybody that likes to watch that real estate ETF. All right, HDGE. Is it time for this thing to pop? We had a rally alert coming into today, and lo and behold, the market did pop its head up a little bit. All right, so we're in rally mode now. Can we get at least back up to the trend line around that $6.20 level? We'll see. We'll see how productive this rally phase can be. All right, moving along, taking a look now at Hack. Hack is back, but Hack has a crash alert for tomorrow. So we'll be watching Hack for signs of droppage for tomorrow. Every time it gets up here around this 40, getting close to the 45 handle, it starts to run out of steam, having a problem. You could call a double top 1 and 2. You could say that at this point, and I couldn't be mad at you. I really couldn't, because we do have this gappage down here, so it's looking nice to the downside right there. All right, moving along, take a look now at GLD, the gold ETF. We are in this corrective mode, still moving sideways. So I'm calling sideways to lower prices over the next 3 to 5 days on that one. Market not giving us much. All right, taking a look at GDXJ. Minor, same thing, consolidating up here. Been consolidating for at least 2 weeks now, and it's not giving me anything. We're not trending. We're still in that bearish configuration, still in a bearish phase, but we're not hitting new highs. We're just chilling up here. So we'll see what happens. All right, keeping it moving. Here is our pound sterling, also in the Kumo cloud now and dropping outside of the Kumo cloud. It looks like this one's going to start resuming its downtrend. So this one's looking very bearish on your pound sterling. All right, keeping it moving, we got the ETHE, which is the Ethereum ETF, sideways in the Kumo cloud. Just not a lot happening. You're getting rally and crash alerts back to back to back. Market's not ready. It's just establishing this lengthy trading range that every once in a while sticks out of the Kumo cloud, sticks below the Kumo cloud, comes all the way back into alignment. This thing is still in a bullish complexion, but just not trending at the moment, still taking a break and just going back and forth inside of the Kumo cloud at this time. Moving right along, we got, excuse me, Ethereum, the cash Ethereum. Sticking with our crypto phase, we got a corrective mode underway. Market was consolidating up here. Then we finally got a breakdown here below trend line support. And we're calling for a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Every time you get here at the bottom end of the range, market likes to pop up. We'll see if this is going to do the same thing. These are not as productive. These rally alerts, the past couple, have not been productive. But when we get to the third one back, so 1, 2, and then 3, we're very productive. And the one before that was very productive. So we'll see. But looks like it's going to be a rough way to go, though. So we'll see. Momentum is starting to point down too in Ethereum. All right, looking at DNN again, we're consolidating up here. Market is in a corrective state, so it looks like sideways to slightly lower prices over the next couple of days in the DNN. Still having problems with 50. 50 is a problem. Looking at CCJ. All right, so CCJ coming off of this crash alert. Now you got a rally alert. All you've had is back-to-back narrow range inside day after narrow range inside day. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. Still in a bullish complexion, a bullish phase, but you've ceased trending at the moment. So we'll see what happens, if it's going to lock back in the trend or is it going to correct some more. But we really technically haven't even started a corrective phase yet. You had a pullback back here, but you didn't get into a corrective phase. You just took off right afterwards. So we're going to need to see something else similar to that. Okay. Yeah, the market does look like it has the coronavirus, all tired and weak. You're right about that, man. You're right about that. Absolutely. All right, here's your Canadian dollar. All right, we've just been in this long-term consolidation for like a month. All right, and this is no different. You're still just right in the middle of the Kumo cloud with no momentum up or down. What do? It's not giving you nothing. So we'll see. Once a direction is chosen, we shall see. All right, here's your Beyond Meat, that nasty stuff. As you can see, market broke out. The market it said giddy up. All right. So I guess it was feeling some type of way. It didn't like for me to call it out and say it was nasty. But look, let me show you something though. At some point, you're gonna have to come back and deal with this gap, son. All right, you're gonna have to come back here and deal with this gap back here. Gappage cannot be allowed to persist. You also got gappage way back here, son, cousin, nephew. What you gonna do? You're gonna have to come back here and deal with this. If you want to be taken seriously as a bull market, come down here, deal with your gap. This one here, this one here, this one here. Yes, we are being petty. The market was built on pettiness. Fill your gaps, Beyond Meat, and then I will believe you. Come down here, fill all this stuff, base out, and then bounce. I'll get on board. But I don't trust you right now. I do not trust you. Yes, I know he had a rally alert here. It's been extremely productive. Secondary alert has also been productive, but nah. Nope. I think when that sell signal comes, like this one back here, this next one's going to be extremely productive. All right, let's see here. Here is your Bitcoin Futures Composite Index. So we're coming off of the We're coming off of this crash alert here that we got yesterday. The market didn't give us anything today but a narrow range inside day. So now we got a range. The market's range bound. It's going to just stay within this range of this bar. Even though it says rally alert tomorrow, these two cancel each other out. I'm expecting a narrow range inside day. Market can do whatever it wants, but let's keep it 100. Right now, you're under a corrective stage in your Bitcoin. All right, it pulled back from the high. It stopped trending. So let's see what happens. All right, moving forward, you have your Aussie dollar. Gold is not helping you, Aussie, just like oil is not helping the Canadian dollar. We're consolidated here. We had a rally alert for today, and it was not productive. We didn't get nothing. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, possibly tomorrow. Right now, until we get another signal, we're still under the auspices of the rally alert. That's how the system works. If you get a rally alert and the market doesn't do anything, well, until it does, or you get another signal, we're still under the auspices of that alert, of the last alert. Okay, so it's like right here, had a rally alert, right? Market came up here, then it even pulled back. Doesn't matter. It's still under the auspices of the rally alert. So you're looking for opportunities to buy these pullbacks. Boom, market finally produces. Then it pulls back again. Are you saying, oh, that's it, time is short? Nope. You didn't get no sell signal. You're still in the auspices of the rally alert. Boom, the market comes back up. Now you get that crash alert right here, right? Produce pretty much nothing. So you're still waiting to catch a good sell. Nothing happens. And then all of a sudden you get this rally alert. Now you switch, boom. That's how you do it. So right now, we're under the auspice still of the rally alert. Even if the Aussie pulls back a little bit more, it should set us up for a nice intraday spike. So you have to watch the intraday price inflection points for clues for tonight and tomorrow's trading. Taking a look at silver futures now. All right, so silver futures had a crash alert for today, and we produced absolutely zilch. It was a narrow range inside day. Maybe the market will break out or break down tonight. I don't know, but technically speaking, we had this secondary rally alert produced nothing. Then you got this one. So we produced a narrow trading range. Don't know which way the market wants to break, but until it does, right now, we'll just have to watch it and watch for clues. All right, taking a look now at gold futures. Again, gold is just really consolidating up here, moving sideways, no direction, no nada. No nada. Yes, GBTC is still up in there. We'll get to it. All right, here's the dollar index, still correcting as well, oscillating back and forth between par, losing the par, par, losing the par. So right now, we're just still consolidated, no direction. Take a look at the Dow futures right now. We had that crash alert coming in today. We got that production. Now we got a secondary crash alert for tonight into tomorrow, and already the Dow is down 100 and something points. So the crash alerts are playing out in the futures. Go PulseWaves. All right, here is your Russell futures. All right, same thing. Crash alert. We were productive. We're still under the auspice of the crash alert, even though we're in the cumulo cloud of death. I think the market wants to test the bottom end of the range. Probably get closer down here toward 1200 before bouncing again and going back up to the top side of the range. So that's where we are right now. All right, here is your crude oil futures. Once again, trading below the cumulo cloud, trading below the trend line resistance. We got nothing. All right, nothing. All right, taking a look here at the NASDAQ 100 futures contract. We got a crash alert for tonight and tomorrow's trading. We've been under the auspice of the rally all week. Today was the last day for that. Crash alert now for tomorrow. Last crash alert was productive. The one before that was productive. All right, the last several crash alerts have been productive. So you cannot ignore this crash alert. And by the way, the market is down 43.25 points right now in the after hours trading. All right, taking a look at our next chart, the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. You can see here we're consolidating as well. These tops here are being sold. Got a crash alert. It produced today. Stop short on the trend line in the top of the Kumo cloud. And already in the overnight market, the market is falling. So looks like the market is going to push down a little bit harder. I mean, a little bit lower, but it doesn't look like it's really kicking in and producing anything just yet. But I guess we got to hang on for another day. All right. I didn't see your GBTC. Maybe I did it and didn't realize it. Oh, no. You know what, man? I don't have it in here, so I owe you a solid. Let me go ahead, first of all, and add your GBTC to the daily. I thought it was on here, so my bad. Hold on. Can't believe I forgot that, man. My bad. My bad. Please don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it. Don't hit me anymore. All right, here we go. We're going to add this bad boy for you. Okay, got that now. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it up. Can't believe I forgot that. I could have sworn that was always on in there. Okay. So here we go. Your GBTC had a crash alert. Then we got that secondary crash alert, which has produced nothing. Today, the market kind of moved in the opposite direction, and now it's giving us a rally alert. So when you got this cycle like this is an odd one. It's more rare to have a primary followed by a secondary and then get a rally alert. So this is going to be an interesting one. You ready? Here's how this is going to work out. This is going to be now in a trading range from the low of this bar and the high of this bar. That's going to be our range. And then once the market's done, we got the bearish pointer produced here. So we probably may come up a little bit more, and then we sell off and we break below the pointer, which puts you at the top of the Kumo cloud and right here on top of the trend line support. How many bars will it take? How many licks till you get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? I don't know. It could do it in about 2 or 3. It can do it in 1, but that's pretty much where you are right now on your GBTC. All right. Okay, so that's it, fam. That's all we got. We knocked it out, man. We did more than 30. We did 33 charts. So our new daily is going to be consistent of 33 charts, not 30. We've changed. We've switched up. So there you go. We got 33 charts that we would do now every evening instead of the 30. All right. It's all by popular demand, dog. When y'all say y'all need that fire, you know, I got to bring it to you, right? So I hooked you up. All right. Keep an eye out, man. Keep an eye out. I've been in the lab, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the feedback you guys have been giving me on the trading with the forex. I told you, I think I figured out the algorithm, the new interbank spreading schematic. So I think we should continue to have good luck with it. All right. Hit me up in the trading room. Let me know how things are doing. Let me know how things are rolling. All right. Yeah, 33 is a sick number, isn't it? XRP. You want me to add XRP to the daily list? All right, let me see. Could I do it? Can I do it? Will I do it? Or will I be lazy? What if I'm lazy? What if I don't want to do it? What if I give you a hard time and say, no, I'm not going to do it. You can't make me do it. You're not my daddy. You're not my mother. You can't make me. I don't have to do XRP if I don't want to. All right, let me see. I think I'm going to hook you up. I'm in a good mood. Oh, that's that Ripple. You know what? We got to add that to the list. We got to add that one. We got to add that one. Straight up. We got to add that one. That Ripple has been in the news, man. We need to talk. You know, that Ripple was in that pandemic documentary, man. I know the government was basically in control of Ripple. That right there is a scary proposition. Call me Prop Joe because that's a scary proposition. I don't think I like that one. I don't think I like that at all. But hey, nobody asked for my opinion when they went ahead and did it, so ain't nothing I can do about that. But yeah, I'm gonna add that. We got to add that Ripple because that's something we got to keep our eye on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I've just added it. All right, so make that 34 charts now. You guys are trying to wear me out. That's what that is. This is a conspiracy. You want to wear me out. That's what that is. All right, I got you. We're going to pull it up right now. You ready? Let's do this XRP. All right. And then I'm going to say, am I free to go? Can I please leave? Can I please leave? Am I free to go or am I being detained? All right, so here's your XRP. As you can see, this has been a never-ending story. It seems like pretty much every security is in the Kumo cloud right now. So you had this crash alert at the top of the Kumo cloud, which is what you should expect, followed by now a rally alert at the bottom of the cloud. I'm expecting until the market decides otherwise for these rally and crash alerts inside of the Kumo cloud to be productive. So between tonight and into tomorrow's trading, you should see a bounce in your Ripple. And the only thing that's going to probably hurt it a little bit is that your trend line is right in the middle of the Kumo cloud. Normally, a trend line is either above or below the Kumo cloud when all this stuff is happening, but on this one, it's right in the middle, and that's making things a little bit tougher. So it's saying like when you get up, see how it just held up here because this trend line. Now, right now, we're paying attention to the bottom. We're just doing it because of the trend line. It's a weird schematic, but nevertheless, that's what it is. So you're looking to sell tops of the Kumo cloud by the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So we'll see how much production you can get in your XRP Ripple tonight. All right. So that's all we got, man. I'm tired. I'm about to go watch Vaxxed with the family, man. I've been waiting for this, man. So I'm gonna go watch it. Peep that, see what that's about. And then I'm gonna relax, man. It's been a long day. All right, yeah, man. Do it, man. Do it. I've been working on all of that because, like I said, I'm trying to. I think I figured out their algo for the interbank desk. All right, and how that mechanism is working. So please, Kyle, when you do it, let me know. Player, hit me up in that room. Let me know what's going on. I think we should be able to take advantage of that. I've been working on the triggers for that too. The normal reports, the price triggers. Like I said, they're loaded, but they're bent toward trend following on the normal sheets. Now on the PP, the pickpocket loaded joints, those are different. Those are off the chain. Those are really loaded. All right, and so they're two different reports. But the funny thing is that with the regular report, the daily buy and the daily sales, those are some pretty smooth price triggers. I don't know if you've been watching over the last couple of days. Those are some pretty smooth triggers right there, man. Like for real. Yeah, the Aussie and the Canadian, like I said, they're consolidating, man. Ain't nothing really trending. Pretty much all of them are just sideways movement right now. But just still let me know. Let me know what's up. All right. Other than that, man, I'm out, man. I'm tired because I'm gonna go watch this documentary and just relax, kick it with the fam, and I will definitely see y'all tomorrow. Oh, which one's a pickpocket? Okay. I don't know how we got it on the. I don't know. I gotta look at the dashboard. I don't know how it is, or even if it's even active. I know Frank's been working on some stuff with the site, so I don't even know if it's active. I think it is. Hit Frank up if you don't see it. Hit Frank up because I thought I could have sworn there's a thing. But we're working on it. We're doing some stuff. So I'm sorry. Yeah, send Frank a note in the trading room. Yeah, the forex in the parentheses quote thing. Those are my secret sauce forex. Okay, those are the ones I want you to try and compare it to the other one just to let me know which one seems to be more accurate. You know what I mean? because I'm trying to gauge a few things. All right. But as far as the pickpocket report, I thought there was a special report tab. All right, hold on. I got my dashboard open. Let me just look for a second. Let me look. And I know that's only been made available though to pro members, I think. I said I think. Hold on. Hold on. All right, let me see something here. Okay, so we got, yeah, see, I don't, hold on. Okay, action pack. Let me just look up the action pack and see. I don't know. I don't know what he did. And I don't think he's on this. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't see it under the, yeah, I don't know how he did it. I'm sorry. Just send him a line. Just ask him what's up, and he'll tell you, because he's been doing some stuff with it. All right, I'm out of here, man. I'll see you on the morning for the pre-market pulse scan. And the rest of you, y'all know what y'all need to do. You need to go to PulseWaveTrading.com. You need to sign up for that 6-pack. You need to get up in here and start breaking bread with us, because these markets are getting ready to move. And when they move, they ain't going to take no prisoners. They're not going to be playing around. The market ain't going to wait for you to get your stuff together. All right, so come on over here and do what you got to do, man. Come break bread with us, because we going to eat. Or we intend to eat over here and eat well. All right, so come on over here, man. I'll wait for y'all in the trading room. Like I said, I'm out. I'm going to spend time with the family, and then after that, I'm going to bed so I can be fresh for the morning and see what's up. And you never know, man. Maybe we'll show you a little side in the room tomorrow. All right, I'm out of here, man. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Purge. Come get this money.